A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you have enjoyed your Diwali holidays. Now come back to your study. So I welcoming you all again on the online classes. So today we will start a new lesson, lesson 9, the story of Icarus from your English reader book. So the story is based upon the technology and how the pride take over the life of oneself, how the technology happened, how the invention happened, and how the pride took over or take over the life of oneself. Okay, so it is a story of a father and a son. Father name is Daedalus and the son name is Icarus. So we are learning about the story of Icarus. Okay, so before I go through the lesson, let's know about the word meaning of this lesson. So see here, the first meaning is ancient. Ancient means very old, बहुत पुराना. Tower, a tall structure, a tall building in which a tower, this one room is there in upper side, that we call the tower. Brilliant, very clever, very intelligent. An architect, one who design buildings. Okay, one who design buildings. Now let's start. We go to the fifth one. What is the fifth one? Word meaning is there. Inventor means one who creates or makes something. One who creates or makes something means some invention, some new thing is invented. Okay. Captive means kept as a prisoner, unable to escape. Means in jail, when we kept the prisoner there, and unable to escape means they are not able to escape, they are not able to go from there. Okay. Now island means a piece of land surrounded by water. A piece of land, चारों तरफ जिसके पानी होता है और एक बीच में एक लैंड होता है, उसको हम आइलैंड बोलते हैं. ओके. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट वर्ड मीनिंग. Is eighth one is equipped. Equipped means to have everything that is needed to work. Means everything, if you are having some items or some things is there and you have to work on that. ओके, सब कुछ और बनाना. डिटरमाइंड मीन्स मोटिवेटेड एंड क्लियर, यानी कि एक गोल बना लेना, एक एम बना लेना कि मुझे ये काम करना ही है. ओके, दैट इज विद द डिटर्मिनेशन और डिटरमाइंड. ओके. फास्टेंड मीन्स टाइट, मीन्स बांधना. फ्लैप मीन्स टू मूव द विंग्स लाइक द बर्ड्स आर मूविंग देयर विंग्स. सिंक मीन्स टू गो डाउन इन वाटर, यानी कि कोई भी चीज़ डूबना या डूब जाना. ओके. सो हो द 13 वन. मेल्ट मीन्स टू बिकम ए लिक्विड. मेल्ट मीन्स जैसे एक आइस क्यूब होता है जो मेल्ट हो जाता है, यानी कि घुल जाना. फ्राइटन मीन्स फुल ऑफ फियर, डर के मारे. सोर्ड मीन्स वेंट अप, ऊपर की तरफ. डिलाइट मीन्स जॉय और हैप्पीनेस. एंड बरीड मीन्स पुट डेड बॉडी अंडर द ग्राउंड, यानी कि कोई भी जो इंसान मर जाते हैं या जानवर मर जाते हैं, उसको जब हम ज़मीन के अंदर उसको दफनाते हैं या उसको ज़मीन के अंदर डाल के ऊपर मिट्टी डालते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं बरीड. ओके. सो द लास्ट वन इज वोड. वोड मीन्स प्रॉमिस्ड. ओके, मीन्स यू हैव प्रॉमिस समथिंग, आपने एक शपथ ली है, दैट इज प्रॉमिस्ड. नाउ come to the lesson. Okay, the story of Icarus. What is this story of Icarus? Is all about a son, the story of a son and his father. So Daedalus is Icarus father, and how this stories is go on we will see, and what happened at the last we will know about it. Okay, so this is an ancient Greek legend. Ancient Greek legend that tells the story of Daedalus. Greek means जो ग्रीस जो कंट्री है उससे रिलेटेड करता है. ग्रीस कंट्री यूरोप, साउथ ईस्ट यूरोप में पड़ता है. और ये पे वहाँ पे एक लेजेंड, यानी कि ये स्टोरी बताई गई थी कि स्टोरी ऑफ डेडलस, किस तरीके से ये कहानी डेडलस के ऊपर बेस्ड है. ओके. सो डेडलस वॉज ए ब्रिलियंट आर्किटेक्ट एंड इन्वेंटर. डेडलस कौन था? Brilliant means very intelligent. Architect means those who are making buildings, and inventor means those who have invented some new thing. Okay. In fact, he is so brilliant that King Minos of Crete did not want to let him go back to his home in Athens. So one at a time when Daedalus was कॉल्ड बाय किंग माइनस। किंग माइनस जो क्रीट के जो किंग थे, उन्होंने डेडलस को अपने राज्य में बुलाया और काम करने बोला, मगर उसका डेडलस का काम देख के जो किंग माइनस थे बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गए, एंड दे डोंट वांट टू लेट हिम गो बैक टू हिज होम, यानी कि डेडलस का जो होम था वो एथेंस में था, ठीक है। तो किंग माइनस ने उनको क्या किया, कैप्चर कर लिया। The king kept him captive on his island. He gave Daedalus a well-occupied workshop in a high tower. उन्होंने एक वर्कशॉप बना के दी जहाँ पे डेडलस क्या करता था, they are inventing some new ideas, new inventions, okay. And Daedalus lived there with his son Icarus. तो डेडलस किसके साथ रहता था, अपने सन इकारस के साथ। किंग माइनस मेड हिम इन्वेंट weapons of war that would make him his army and navy very powerful. So Daedalus work is that he invented new weapons for war, okay. So the king minus, जो king माइनस है वो अपनी आर्मी को और अपनी नेवी को पावरफुल बनाना चाहते थे, ठीक है, स्ट्रेंथ करना चाहते थे, बहुत पावरफुल करना चाहते थे। तो what the king minus say to Daedalus that you have to make a new kind of weapons or new design of weapons that it help my army and my navy to become more powerful, okay. Now Daedalus had everything he needed. अब डेडलस के पास सब कुछ था, but what he don't have, but he wanted his freedom to leave the island and return to his own country. But whatever thing he is having, but is not satisfied, he is not happy. Why he is not happy? Because he want to return his own country. own country कहाँ है, एथेंस, ठीक है। his son Icarus too wanted to. Now see the downside. See the this Daedalus is making a this design of the weapons, and his son is sitting on the bench, Icarus, okay. Now see, so Daedalus son is also want to free from there, so leave, because he loved to run and play in the open rather than remain in a tower all day. So he also wanted to go out and run and play in the open ground, but he has to remain with his father in that tower all day. The king came to know of this and so ordered that all the ships should be searched before leaving port to make sure Daedalus and Icarus were not abroad. Now the king is बातें सुनने में आई कि डेडलस और के जो बेटा वो भागने वाला है। तो व्हाट द किंग ऑर्डर दैट व्हाट एवर द शिप इज़ लीविंग द पोर्ट, तो उस समय तो शिप ही थी, समुद्र के रास्ते से सब आना जाना करते थे, नो लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट इज़ देयर, ओके। सो द किंग ऑर्डर दैट बिफोर लीविंग द पोर्ट, जो शिप है वो पोर्ट को छोड़ने से पहले सारे शिप को जांचना चाहिए कि डेडलस उसका सन उसके अंदर तो नहीं है, कहीं वो भाग तो नहीं गए। However, the two were determined to leave and knew that they would soon find a way out. But these two means who? Daedalus and his son Icarus were determined. उन्होंने एक एम बना लिया था कि अब हमें यहाँ पे रहना नहीं है, and knew that they would soon find a way out. And they know that one day they will find the way to go out from here. Okay. Now, one day, as Daedalus watched the birds flying in the sky, an idea struck him. So what Daedalus saw? He watched the birds flying in the sky. An idea struck him. So one idea came in his mind. He told King Minos that he needed some feathers, wax and thread for a new invention he was working on. So he said to King Minos that he needed some feathers, wax and thread, that I am making some invention. But actually what Daedalus was thinking, he is thinking and making a planning to escape from this the Crete, the kingdom, the Crete kingdom, okay. So soon these things were sent to his workshop. Why King Minos sent all these things to his workshop? That King Minos thought that this Daedalus was making some weapons, but Daedalus was thinking make something new invention. He is making some new invention to escape from the Crete, okay. So Daedalus arranged the feathers like the wings of a bird, fastened them with a thread, and then stuck them towards with wax. So Daedalus arranged the feathers like the wings of a bird. Okay, so they arrange the feathers, they make a one by one feathers and tied up with it and fasten them with thread. Okay, and make a feather of a bird, and then stuck them together with wax mean moom. He made two pairs of wings with all the feathers he had. When he attached the wing to his shoulder and began to flap them, he could feel the wind trying to lift him into the air. So like the birds are flying, the Daedalus will also make these feathers, make a wings of a bird, and then after he tightened them, he's fastened them, and then he put some wax on it, so it become more strong. ओके, सो ही मेड टू पेयर्स ऑफ विंग्स, यानी कि अपने लिए उसने एक विंग्स बनाई और अपने बेटे के लिए बनाई. और देन ही कुड फील द विंड ट्राइंग टू लिफ्ट him. Then he tried, the Daedalus tried if it is work or not. So when he started working on it, so his wings, when he attached the wing to his shoulder and began to flap means ऊपर और नीचे करना, he would feel the wind trying to lift him into the air. So his invention is going to be give a best result. Okay, so now see here, the Daedalus and his Icarus is this have an attachment of this feathers, and they are flying in the sky. Okay, now see, Icarus was delighted to see this. Icarus was delighted to see this means Icarus is very much curious about it, what his father is doing. He too wanted to try on the pair of wings, so he also wanted to wear this pair of wings. Okay, so Daedalus and his son practice flying with the wings for a few days. So for a few days यानी कि कुछ दिनों तक इन्होंने practice करी कि how they fly in the sky. Okay, then one morning when they were ready to leave, Daedalus said to Icarus. So one morning when they is going to leave this Crete, this kingdom, King Minos kingdom. So at that day the Daedalus said to Icarus, my dear son, we are now leaving this island for good. अब हम ये island leave कर रहे हैं हमारे अच्छे के लिए. वी विल फ्लाई होम, हम अपने घर जाएंगे फ्लाई करके. बट बिफोर वी बिगन दिस जर्नी, लेट मी गिव यू सम एडवाइस. सो व्हाट द एडवाइस द Daedalus इज गिवन टू Icarus? लिसन टू इट केयरफुली, ध्यान से सुनना, एंड बी श्योर टू फॉलो इट, और फॉलो करना. बट एट टाइम्स फॉलो मी और यू विल लूज योर वे. अगर आप फॉलो नहीं करोगे तो आप अपना रास्ता भूल जाओगे. डू नॉट फ्लाई टू लो, for the moisture from the waves will make your wings heavy and you will sink down. So what the Daedalus give instruction to his son, that do not fly low, नीचे ज़्यादा मत उड़ना. क्या हो जाएगा? For the moisture from the waves, जो लहरें हैं, जो उसका जो नमी है, जो पानी है, आपके विंग्स को हैवी कर देगा और आप डूब जाओगे. If you fly high, the heat of the sun will melt the wax and your wings will fall apart. So, if you fly high, तो जो सन की जो गर्माहट है उससे आपका जो मोम है, जो मोम लगा है फेदर्स में, वो मेल्ट हो जाएगा और फिर आप विंग्स के साथ में कहाँ जाओगे? समुंदर में. जस्ट स्टे नियर मी एंड यू विल बी सेफ. तो मेरे साथ में ही उड़ना. Icarus noted. Daedalus and his son went to the roof of the tower. Okay, so at that day when they have to leave, they went to the roof, यानी कि जो छत है टावर की उसमें गए. First Daedalus flapped his wings and slowly he was carried up into the sky. So Daedalus पहले उड़ने के लिए उन्होंने अपने विंग्स को फ्लैप किया, and then slowly he was carried up into the sky. Icarus also followed soon after with his father. Okay, now see here. So that this Icarus is also followed soon after and was right behind his father. अपने father के साथ साथ वो उड़ने लगा. Icarus was frightened at first but soon find that he was really good at flying. तो Icarus को पहले डर लगा, मगर जैसे जैसे वो उड़ता गया उसमें अंदर में कॉन्फिडेंस आ गया. it was thrilling to be flying like a bird. With sheer delight, he soared higher and higher up through the clouds. And then above them, he was too excited to remember his father's warning. तो वो जो उड़ते उड़ते उसको एक एक्साइटमेंट हुआ. With sheer delight means कि बहुत ज़्यादा उसको स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग आने लगी कि अब मैं तो उड़ सकता हूँ. एंड ही सोड हायर मीन्स हायर हायर, वो सन के नज़दीक जाने लगा. थ्रू द क्लाउड्स एंड देन अबाउट देम. ही वॉज टू एक्साइटेड टू रिमेंबर हिज फादर वार्निंग. तो उसने एक्साइटमेंट पे वो अपने फादर की वार्निंग को भूल गया था. इकारस डियर कम डाउन, द सन विल मेल्ट द वैक्स, Daedalus called out. But Icarus could not hear him and Daedalus could not catch him with her. तो डेडलेस अपने फादर की वार्निंग को भूल गया था और उनके फादर जब चिल्लाए तब तक क्या हुआ था. डेडलेस कुड नॉट हियर हिम बिकॉज ही इज फ्लाइंग हायर एंड हायर एंड डेडलेस कुड नॉट कैच अप विथ हिम. तो डेडलेस उसके नज़दीक नहीं जा पा रहा था. नाउ इकारस वॉज could not hear him, and then because he is flying very high, Icarus was too close to the sun. Now the Icarus is too close to the sun, and soon the wax that held the feathers together began to melt. तो जैसे जैसे वो सूरज के नज़दीक गया तो क्या हुआ, जो फेदर्स में जो वैक्स था वो धीरे धीरे मेल्ट होने लगा. सडनली इकारस रिमेंबर हिज फादर्स एडवाइस. और तभी इकारस को अपने फादर की एडवाइस याद आई, मगर अब बहुत देर हो चुकी थी. द विंग्स बिगेन टू लूज देयर शेप एंड द फेदर्स बिगेन टू फॉल ऑफ. जो विंग्स थे उनके ऊपर से वैक्स निकलने लगा और फेदर्स जो है पूरे खुलने लगे और जो फेदर्स थे वो नीचे गिर गए. डेडलस वॉश्ड हेल्पलेसली एज हिज सन फेल इनटू द सी. डेडलस ये देखते ही रह गया और उसका जो बेटा था वो सी में चले गया. Daedalus brought out his dead son from the sea and flew back to land. Daedalus अपने सन को समुंदर से निकालता जो डूब के मर गया है एंड वापस अपने लैंड में चले जाता है. Weeping bitterly he buried the body and vowed never to fly again. Weeping यानी कि रोते हुए, bitterly दुखी होते हुए, he buried the body. Buried means उसने बच्चे की बॉडी को ज़मीन के अंदर दबा दिया. एंड वोड नेवर टू फ्लाई अगेन, और खुद से प्रॉमिस किया कि अब वो कभी नहीं उड़ेगा. सो दिस इज द स्टोरी ऑफ इकारस. व्हाट इज द मॉरल लेसन ऑफ दिस स्टोरी? द मॉरल लेसन ऑफ दिस स्टोरी डेडलस एंड इकारस इज दैट you should always listen to what your elders tell you to do. The basic concept of the story of Daedalus and Icarus is that you should always listen and hear the advice of your elders, particularly your parents, and follow that advice. Okay, and that is the best advice your parents give it to you. So we have to respect our parents and follow their advice, whatever the advice they are giving to us in any time, whether in your examination or whether in your daily life. Okay, they are thinking the best of us, best for us. Okay, so hope you will understand this story about the Daedalus and the Icarus. Learn the word meanings and the notes I will give on Saturday. Okay, so learn if any doubt is there in this lesson, please ask me, give a message in my WhatsApp number. Okay students, thank you.